my lighting workshop is back. This year, it's all about beauty lighting. I'm hosting a one-day hands-on workshop in New York City on April 19th. In this 8-hour intensive, we'll start with the fundamentals of studio lighting and how I see light, how you can refine your strengths, and where you can improve. We'll break down modifiers and how to use them to recreate stunning high-end beauty images like these. I designed this workshop with one goal: to help you gain confidence in studio lighting. I know firsthand how frustrating trial and error can be, so I'm here to fast track your learning. I'll demonstrate two of my go-to beauty lighting setups, the same ones I use for skincare and commercial cosmetics work. Whether you specialize in beauty, portraits, or fashion, this workshop will equip you with practical skills, fresh ideas, and the inspiration to elevate your work. You'll walk away with new techniques, beautiful portfolio shots, and a renewed passion for lighting. Ready to level up? Visit my website for the details. Can't wait to see you on April 19th.